How to delete or unsend your message in Facebook Messenger. So the first thing you have to do is to tap or select any person that you want to delete or unsend your message with. Tap and hold the message you want to delete. Then tap on delete and choose delete for everyone. If you choose delete for you, the other person you talk to will still have your message, but you don't. And if we choose delete for everyone, your message will be shown like this to you and like this to other person. And if you did not found the choice to delete for everyone, please update your Messenger application to the newest one. It's because, as far as my research goes, some people say you only have 10 minutes after you send the message to delete it for everyone. But it was not true, as in my other account, I still have the choice to delete the message for everyone in my conversation on year 2018 at my Android. But what unusual is, the message I sent in year 2019 on my iPhone did not have the choice to delete the message for everyone. So, there was no certainty regarding the time or conditions of a message that can be deleted for everyone or not. And the least we can do is to update our Messenger app to the newest version. And if there are any other updates about this, I surely will inform you guys at the first place. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.